Hello everyone, it's great to see you here. My name is Clara, welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing great. In this video I would like to make egg toast sandwiches with bacon. This is the perfect Sunday brunch. I just enjoy most of my Sundays making this for brunch. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, hit the thumbs up and comment below if you try this recipe. And let's just get to it. We are going to need toast bread and 2 eggs. Then we are going to need bacon. I'm using cheddar cheese, tomatoes, avocado. Then I'm using black sesame seeds, plant-based butter and olive oil, and salt and pepper. I am setting the temperature of the stove on medium and making the bacon nice, crispy and gold. I am also always trying to soak the fat and the oil to the paper towels. I am gonna whisk the eggs and put their salt and pepper. It's time to toast the bread, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of butter on one side. Setting the temperature on medium and letting heat up the oil a little bit. Then I'm going to add my eggs and then put right to it the toast bread. Then I'm going to let it cook a little bit and I'm going to add the cheddar cheese. I will also add bacon to it and put over the lid and let it melt. I'm going to add on the side half of avocado, which I'm going to sprinkle with a little bit of salt and black sesame seeds, and also I'm going to add on the side tomatoes. Choose your beverage of preference. This was orange juice, and let's enjoy our Sunday brunch. I hope you guys like this recipe. Comment below how did you like it. If you tried it, hit a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. I'm gonna thank you for watching and I will see you next time. Bye bye.